Hi, hello, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Itulah berhabuk. Dah lama tak buat video. So every day Lisa scroll Instagram and then Lisa selalu tengok Carya Cosmetics and Nurul MF punya video. Macam, aku ada palette tu. Why not I do a video on using that palette kan? Macam, make it try. Jadi tak sama tak macam yang dia buat pakai palette tu. So this is the look I created. Setelah hari-hari tengok tutorial yang dia upload, terjumpa sis, okay? So if you want to know how to do this iconic Carya Cosmetic makeup by Nurul MF look, just keep on watching. But before that, jangan lupa subscribe to my channel, like sikit, share sikit, okay? So, jom. Hello everyone. So hari ni untuk makeup look hari ni kita akan pakai a few new products. One of them is this one. Is a skin food macam dia moisturizer from Welda. Welda ni is a brand from Sydney, Australia. So this one I was introduced this by Warnabila. Okay, siapa yang tak tahu Warnabila, you can check her Instagram, Warnabila, Warnabilla. Okay, so they introduced this one as a moisturizer untuk betul-betul bagi you punya skin like moisturize, especially this one, especially untuk very dry and rough skin. So we're going to try. And then the best thing, benda ni adalah organic. It's a natural tea, organic tea. Ada organic logo, organic. So it's safe to be used. So kita akan pakai sikit. It's a very thick moisturizer. Okay, dia sangat-sangat thick moisturizer. So kalau you macam oily skin, you maybe akan rasa macam tak selesa sangat kot. But if you are like dry skin, you can appreciate this. Okay, so kita yang pakai tu banyak. It's okay, it's alright. You akan rasa kesal gila. Thick gila kalau rasa macam Bobbi Brown Enriched Vitamin Face Base tu macam dah pekat. This one lagi pekat. Okay, bahagian yang ada like open pores here, semua I akan pakai this one. Clean-slate from Tarte Cosmetics. So just press the product in. Macam tu. So Lisa akan fokus just dekat bahagian yang ada like open pores tu. And then press it in, baru dia akan macam like blurkan dan dia akan smoothkan any area yang ada kebenjolan-benjolan macam ni. You can letak sikit so that the surface akan jadi smooth. Dan satu ni kita nak follow cara makeup Nurul MF. Inspired. So dia akan correct dulu you punya any darkness. So dia akan pakai corrector. This one I pakai matte prep and prime in code peach lustre. So just tak sikit. After that, saya ambil NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and kita just apply dekat mana kita letak keorangenan itu. So there, bila you letak foundation, your foundation taklah jadi orange. Okay, blend. Okay, foundation hari ni saya akan pakai this one, NARS Sheer Glue. This is a repack version. If I travel or makeup orang, bekas kaca tu berat, okay? Kalau kita bawa senam betul, akan jadi berat bagi kita. So I just transfer it into bottle macam ni, airless pump bottle, and just guna like this much. Banyak tu. So bisa pakai colour Punjab, and we just dot. So you blend lightly. So this one is the Sheer Glow foundation. this is a layer of foundation. So nampak it covers like marvelously. Okay, so for concealer saya akan mix this one, Tarte Shape Tape color light medium sand dengan color fair, sebab light medium sand ni macam similar dekat dengan color palette kita. Tapi color sand, color fair ni like too bright. Using the same brush, so kita just blend daripada bawah ke atas. So kita punya under eye tu bright lah sikit. Tu kena hati-hati sikit pakai Tarte Shape Tape ni sebab dia macam like satu dot tu memang macam very pigmented, sangat boleh cover banyak, and dia akan macam boleh spread dia like macam luas kawasan spread dia. So make sure pakai sikit-sikit so that you don't overuse. And last you cover your face dengan concealer. Okay, brush yang tak ada apa-apa, just blendkan edges dia tu supaya you tak nampak like macam ada separation line gitu. So untuk blusher, I akan pakai this one from Carya Cosmetics. This one is the Truffle Daring palette. So dia ambil the lipstick ni, so substitute as the blusher. So I mixkan dua warna, which is jadi macam tu, and you just blend. And to set everything, saya akan pakai Mercier loose powder. Make sure to go in line, tak ada berating tu. Okay, after that, saya ambil this one dari Carya Cosmetics, bahagian shading dia, shading powder. Sebab dia all in one palette, so dia ada everything except for your foundation lah. Dia ada macam powder type punya product in a palette. So, you boleh just bawa this one, dia punya foundation dan concealer, kening pun dia orang bagi, lipstick pun dia orang bagi, highlighter pun dia orang bagi, blusher pun dia orang bagi. So, everything is in one palette. Just ambil and shakekan. Same brush, just pinitkan and then dekat hidung. So, you will have that natural shading. So, just ambil blusher. Dia punya blusher untuk Truffle Daring set ni is designed for macam someone yang macam like medium to darker skin tones. So, dia punya colour blusher dia, this one is like more peachy coralish sikit. So, dia akan nampak like super natural. Dia macam ada blusher ke? Ada blusher ke? Orang perasan Nurul dia is not a blusher person. Sebab tu you tengok colour dekat Carya Cosmeticnya blusher, it's like a soft dia blusher. Sebab dia macam she's not a blusher type. So now we move to eyes. So saya akan prime dulu. Saya punya eyelid pakai Urban Decay Prime Caution. This one is in Code Eden and then dia sangat-sangat cepat set. So you have to blend dia dengan pantas dan bernas. Okay, so that dia tak jadi like macam patchy-patchy tu tau. Kita akan pakai the eyeshadow dalam collection ni. The first colour is this one. That's our transition. It's a matte eyeshadow yang macam nak ada macam red undertone sikit. So we're going to use it on our crease. So just buat dekat kita punya crease, dekat area berbola mata itu. Then go back and forth, back and forth. Okay, same brush, ambil warna yang tengah-tengah ni, kita akan dipkan kita punya outer corner. So, kita akan fokus like more on the outer corner macam tu. So basically kita dah buat macam like a socket line macam tu. And kita ambil colour ni, this is like, I suka colour ni sebab it's more mini and it's so creamy and buttery and everything yang bagus. This palette memang korang boleh create from a natural. Oh, korang tengok ni sekarang. Nampak tak colour tu? Macam dia coklat yang ada macam a little bit of a gold sikit. Tapi dia tak glittery, dia shimmer je. And korang pakai sikit, dia akan macam sangat So if you tak suka macam dia macam dark kan, kalau colour ni macam dark, you can use the highlighter as the eyeshadow. Lepas tu, blend balik, okay? Blend balik edges ni supaya tak adalah nampak macam ada garis pemisah antara warna-warna itu. Dan ambil sikit kali yang daripada highlight ni, just a tiny bit untuk brightkan sikit bahagian tengah. Macam tu. And blend sikit. Okay. Smaller brush, just ambil dua warna ni, mixkan dia dua-dua. And lalu dekat 1/3 of your eyes sebelah bawah. So dia mata you balance and nampak macam besar sikit, which is everything that you want. Okay, depan mata tu, I nak ambil this one, mix sikit dengan highlighter dengan yang darker colour tu. Just sebelah depan. Okay, basically eyeshadow siap, so now we curl our eyelashes, pakai mascara and put on some lashes and I'll be right back. So, eyebrow pencil ni dia boleh guna untuk lukis brow. Tapi dia tak bagi spoolie, so you have to use your own spoolie untuk lukis. And dia punya colour, shade dia is like that. Now kita nak pakai highlighter. Dia punya highlighter is very highlighting. So just ambil sikit. And ambil highlight tu, kita nak highlight sikit dekat depan mata ni. Lipstick. Saya nak pakai warna yang tengah ni. And apply. So, saya nak mix lah. Mix dua ni, dua warna ni. Okay, this is Lisa dah mixkan colour lipstick tu. But I think I want to add some gloss pakai basic Blair daripada Dark Cosmetic. this is the finish look. Macam tu. Macam tu. So basically, what I can say about Carya Cosmetic ni, dia memang macam satu palette yang memang memudahkan korang kalau korang jenis macam tak nak bawa banyak-banyak barang, macam just nak pakai, you know, nak senang. Colour dia, kalau macam Truffle Daring punya colour ni is more like macam something yang bold sikit. Kalau another one is a Cocoa Plastic tu macam more like a natural tones. Dia punya blusher pun is like more pink. This one is more coralish, more peach sikit lah. So, eyeshadow is very good. Saya nak blend, pigmented, the shading, highlighting, semua, blusher. Tapi lipstick dia for me, I prefer something yang lagi creamy, yang macam ada gloss sikit. I suka tambah gloss sikit, macam lah kan. But if you like it, okay je, boleh je pakai, senang. Sebab dia akan bagi you like a lip brush dalam tu, dia bagi you eyebrow pencil, macam lengkap je sebenarnya. Okay, harga dia pun affordable juga, macam tak sampai 100 pun, tapi you get like the whole macam semua benda. Macam like semua benda dalam satu palette. Okay, macam semua benda dalam satu palette. Kalau kita nak pakai, you want to go for a more natural eye look, you actually boleh je guna dia punya shading powder as you punya crease, and highlighter sebagai you punya lid colour. Okay, so abaikan this one, terpecah, sorry. So Carya Cosmetic, pecah. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.